Welcome to our guide on creating a room in openSIS. First, let's briefly talk about what a room is. A room is a designated space within your school where classes or activities take place. Each room has its own unique name, capacity, and description, helping you organize and manage your school resources efficiently. Now, let's walk through the process of creating a room in the software. To begin, click on the Add New Room button. A modal will open. Here, you'll need to enter the details for the new room. Start by entering the room name. Next, specify the capacity of the room. Then, set the sort order to determine the sequence in which the room will appear in the list. You can also add a short description to provide more information about the room. If the room is not currently in use, you can switch off the active switch. Otherwise, leave it on. Finally, click on Submit. And that's it. You've successfully created a room. Thanks for watching.